eyes of the world have been glued to the city of Haran for the past 2 months, following the outbreak of a previously unknown pathogen.
It is not yet clear what has caused this gruesome affliction. The local government's Ministry of Defense erected a quarantine rule shortly after the outbreak.
The global relief effort's steady stream of supply drops has sustained what few survivors remain in the city. The Ministry of Defense believes more radical action should be taken to stem the tide of this virus.
The question is, are there still non-infected survivors in the city as the GRE maintains? And if so, will the ministry still go through with a stated plan to annihilate the city in an attempt to wipe out the Haran virus once and for all?
Whether by way of the virus or the ministry's proposed plan, one thing is certain. Haran's days are numbered.
HUD activated. Commence briefing.
Approaching Haran.
Data on the subject, Kadir Suleiman, a local political figure hired to maintain order after the outbreak. His brother Hassan died in a disease-related incident before we were able to evacuate him. Suleiman blamed the GRE for Hassan's death. He stole a highly sensitive file which became his bargaining chip against the GRE, with instructions to publicize it if anything happened to him. Data on the subject, the stolen file.
In 10 seconds.
It details the incomplete process of synthesizing a cure for the virus. If implemented in its current state, the produced substance may be extremely toxic. Also, the file contains full description of the virion's structure. Any attempt to use it would result in countless lives lost. It must be recovered. Further information, current status. Suleiman sent the file to an associate unknown to us, with instructions to publicize it at his command at any time. To counter that, we instituted a citywide communication jam, preventing him from publicizing the file. Your GRE-issued radio can overcome that jamming. It is your lifeline. Do not lose it. Suleiman has since gone underground and begun using a different name. We have reason to believe he now leads one of the two main factions operating within the city. You are to find Suleiman and locate the stolen file in order to save mankind from a disaster of unprecedented proportions.
Ну, всем здравствуйте! Сегодня мы начинаем играть в Dying Light на ПК. Игра про зомби. О, да. Опа, опа, опа. Йоу. Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй. Ай. Все, я слышу зомби. Ай, Вася, Вася, Вася! Вася, Вася! А! Вася, меня не кусай! Ты за мной вон там пришли. Парни. Сколько же их там? А-а-а!
Tower, this is Jade. Get sick bay ready. Got a guy with a bad head wound and a bite on one arm.
Oh shit, Amir's hurt.
Amir is gone. But I'm bringing in someone who might still survive.
One of us?
We'll see.
Понятно. Нас спасли. осматриваться нам мышью. Ну что ж. Так. Тут у нас что? Ага.
You sleep for 3 days like a dead man, then scare children. Off to a great start, everyone.
Where am I?
In paradise, can't you see?
В раю.
Okay, enough joking around. Head to room 190. The muscle knife.
What do you mean, 31?
Ask the boss.
Ага, наша цель оранжевый кружочек на миникарте. Тут оно закрыто. Закрыто, парень. Ну пойдемте тут.
31. That's your number.
Что делаешь? А? Типа футбол? Ну ладно.
Excuse me?
Что у нас
Your
тут?
number. You're the 31st infected. I'm the 18th. Everything is counted here. 1 fewer doses of antizin. 1 more new infected. 1 more runner gone.
Паркурщиком. Паркурщики. Ну, в принципе, было уже понятно, что нам нужно тут будет паркурить. Потому что...
Quiet. Fuck quiet. Now he's gonna get Amir's antizin.
Hey, where's room 190? Upstairs.
Наверх. Чё-то притихли сразу.
Just getting picked off.
Так, там вот что-то.
And you are?
Crane, 31.
Oh, right. How's your head?
My head?
Got it. Listen up. Until the boss says so, you are not on the list. So go talk to him ASAP and let's get things moving. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Окей. Тут у нас закрыто. Пошлите наверх. Так, тебя спросить может. Но тут некуда вроде идти. Проверим. Угу. С тобой поговорить нельзя. С тобой тоже. С тобой тоже. Прикольно. Отличная графика такая. Прикольная. Так, ну вот мы пришли к той же самой.
I'm looking for the boss. Is he in there?
Oh, you're 31. Go on in.
Входи. Вхожу. Так, что тут у нас? А где он? А где он? А, вон он, походу. Сейчас. Че это? Мультики? Окей.
Hey, I'm looking for the... Are you the boss?
What, am I too young? You got the problem with my age?
No, You wanted to talk to me?
That's better. Do you remember anything? Know what you are?
Yeah, I can see this is some kind of shelter.
We call it the Tower. Brecken and his runners put it all together a couple of months ago, and we've been here ever since. Hunting airdrops, scavenging, and rescuing people.
Yeah, I wanted to thank that girl.
Good, because if not for her, you'd already be chewing somebody's knee bone. Your antizin was totally crushed, by the way. Only thing Jade could salvage was your radio.
Oh, great. So can I get that back, please?
Actually, I think I need it more than you do.
Believe me, pal, that's not the case.
Fine. Take it. You know my runners put their lives in danger for guys like you. So now you take the antizin meant for someone else, and you won't even share your cure with us? I
Да
don't
чё
have
ты
time to
орёшь-то?
deal with your bullshit. I've
I've lost contact with one of our guys thanks to the fucked up radios we're stuck with. Do something for me, would you? I don't want to see you or your precious radio anymore, so go be useful somewhere else. We don't tolerate lazy assholes here in the tower.
Hey, be fair. I'm not lazy. I'm just, hey, boss.
Save it. That last guy I mentioned, he's only on the 13th floor, but you might as well be trapped in a mine cave. Come back later. And I'm not the boss. Too young, remember? I'm Rahim. Brecken's in charge here.
Ага, то есть ты не совсем босс. Блин, прикольно. Прикольно это такие... Что-то можно сделать. Пейзажи прикольные. Графика отличная просто. Ну что ж, я со всеми прощаюсь и говорю всем удачи, всем пока.